Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mamos Ate, a YouTuber based in Warri Delta State, Nigeria, and today's video is proudly sponsored by Luvme Hair. Join me as I put Luvme Hair wig to test and see if it is the perfect ready to go hair solution. Did you know that over 70% of women in the world wear hair wigs for comfort and convenience? Join me as I put Luvme Hair wig to the test and see if truly it is the perfect ready to go hair solution. Luvme Hair PreMax glueless wig, cut loose body wave 7x6 closure HD lace wig, and this is in 24 inches. Guys, join me as I put the Luvme Hair wig into test and let's see if really it is the perfect ready to go hair solution. Let's get right in. Came with this mini bag to secure your wig, with a picking comb to style your hair, and a mini brush to secure your edges. And this hair also came well secure in a mini net 7x6 HD closure wig. I love the adjustable band that came with this hair. It's snug and it helps your hair to just be in place, no moving around, no shifting of your closure. This adjustable band makes it fit perfectly on any scalp, alongside some pins at the back of the hair to give your wig a perfect sit on your scalp. Hair density on point. I had to do a mini test, run my hands through this wig, and then there was no shredding, no fallout, no pull out. Strands of this hair are firm, and then you can see it just matches my skin. This is truly a pre-bleached hairline. Came properly pre-cut and came pre-plucked. It's full, and this is 24 inches 7x6 closure. It's a loose body wave coily. Are factors to consider for a luxury ready to go hair. If you are a fan of a very easy, comfortable, ready to wear wig, then Luvme Hair got you covered. Check out. Ready to go. I believe this is a solution for those of you that do not have the time for laying your hair. But this is one of the best glueless wig I have ever worn. You can see it melt into my skin. I really do not have to do much with this hair. You can check out my before and my after. Don't you like what you see? You know you like what you see. Hey lovelies, hey guys, hey babes, hey boos, hey mommies, hey aunties, all the babes in the world, all the women all over the world. Trust me, this is your perfect ready to go hair wig. Okay, as you can see, I didn't even have to do anything. Place this in and it is all in. To think this is a 7x6 closure. It is black and it comes in different colors. They have for gold, for honey brown, and for black. Just let them know what color you're interested in. And this is just perfect for a date night, a going out, a wedding, dinner dates, whatever it is. Okay, it's just a perfect ready to go hair, but let's switch it up to something else. Yes, we need to switch this up. It's time to switch up to something. Yes, you know that feeling when your beautiful ready to go hair can be switched. Watch out for the switching. Something no else work, also more beautiful. No stress, easy peasy, very fit, very comfortable, very versatile, volume on point, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, no baby hair needed. Just let it fit how you want it. I can just take this and place on top of the cap, and I can still do this. Okay, as you can see, this is just perfect. I'll wait for you to let me know in the comment section what you think. You could style this in 2 different patterns. This could be styled like this. Can also be styled in the center middle parts. Okay, this hair could be styled in different ways, and truly this is one of the best ready to go wig. Soft, and for those of you that are looking for comfortable hair that is very convenient on the go hair, this is all you need. As you can see, I'm using a very small tiny comb to comb this, and there's no shredding in this hair. Tell me why you have not ordered yours. This is value for money. This is sexiness on a date. This is giving. This is giving love me hair. And this is giving love me hair for you. Went in with my hair wax to just keep all the hair in place, and I will be going into my makeup because I intend to use my foundation to my skin properly, and to also use my concealer to properly line the pattern of this hair. Check out the switch up on this Love Me Hair PreMax Glueless Wig Gorgeous Slate Cut Loose Body Weave 7x6 Closure HD Lace in 24 inches black. What do you think about the switch? Because I am loving this switch. I love the fact that this is a multi-purpose hair. It is a hair for the ready to go, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached hairline, loose body wave, coily, free pattern, glueless HD lace, high density. What's not to love about this hair, guys? Please do well to visit their website and use my code MAMUS to get 28% off, or you use my code MAMUS32 to get 32% off this beautiful ready to go wig. To the conclusion that the Love Me Hair passed the ready to go test. Hey loves, I hope you enjoy everything about this ready to go wig. One of the biggest challenge a lot of people have out there is finding one that's comfortable for them to wear, finding one that fits perfectly well into their scalp. And I for one have a very small head. My head measurement is 20.5 and is also the smallest wig cap you can find out there. So this just fits perfectly well, snug into the head perfectly. There's a band inside that you can adjust to fit whatever scalp, whatever head size you have at there. Okay, just as the name goes, ready to go. Will it be comfortable? Is it lightweight? Is it easy? Is it natural? As in all of these questions, idea of styling, as you can see, I've combed this hair over and over and the coils keep bouncing back and bouncing back. Ready to go hair. You can see how I just use my hands to do this, how I run my finger through this, and then it's given. The Love Me Hair is one hair you should rush to their website and order yours. Because we've come to the end of today's video, and once again thank you Love Me Hair for sponsoring today's video. Best ready to go hair for every lady out there, for your date night, for your brush, for whatever activities. You're ready to go to an office, ready to go for school runs, ready to go to work. This is the most comfortable ready to go wig you'll find out there. I'm excited to share my experience with Love Me Hair wigs. I hope all of you out there are convinced that this wig truly is the most easiest and the perfect ready to go wig. Okay, if you want to order Love Me Hair, I have a discount code. This code MAMUS to get 28% off this wig. And trust me, if you want a mouth-watering offer, then use code MAMUS32 to get 32% off. Okay, trust me, this is one of the best, most comfortable, most beautiful, most classy, most versatile, most luxury, most elegant ready to go hair every lady needs in their hair wardrobe. Okay, no hype. This beautiful sponsored wig by Love Me Hair. Do well to check them out. Okay, and remember to use my code MAMUS to get 28% discount off, and code MAMUS32 to get 32% discount off. Trust me, this is all you need. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys.